In today's video, I'll show you how to make money from passive income in 2025. Passive income is money that you make while sleeping. So today I'll be breaking down the 5 best ways to make money from passive income and exactly how to do it. Let's get started. The first way to make money while you sleep is through dividend-paying stocks. When you buy shares of certain companies, they pay you a portion of their profits every quarter. For example, if you invest $10,000 into a company that pays a dividend yield of 4%, you would be earning $400 every year without lifting a finger. That works out to about $33 a month in cash flow. Now imagine scaling that up. If you invested $50,000, your dividends could be over $2,000 per year, which is enough to cover a utility bill or even part of your rent. This is why dividend investing is one of the most trusted forms of passive income. The second proven strategy is real estate rentals. Owning property and renting it out means you get paid while tenants live in your space. Let's say you buy a small rental home and after paying the mortgage, taxes, and expenses, you still make a profit of $500 per month. That's $6,000 a year in passive income. The beauty of rental property is that the tenant is essentially paying down your mortgage, while you also benefit from property value appreciation over time. This is where it gets even more interesting. Over time, your property is likely to appreciate in value. Real estate in many markets grows at an average rate of about 3 to 5% per year. So if that $250,000 property increases by just 4%, that's $10,000 in equity in a single year, in addition to your rental income. Essentially, you're building wealth from 2 different directions: steady monthly cash flow and long-term property appreciation. No other asset class allows you to use other people's money at that scale to generate both income and long-term wealth. The third way is by creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. Once you put in the initial effort to create something valuable, it can be sold over and over again with almost no extra work. For example, let's say you create an online course and price it at $100. If just 10 people buy your course each month, that's $1,000 in recurring income. And since it's digital, you don't have to worry about shipping, inventory, or overhead. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or even your own website make it simple to set up and start selling. The fourth passive income idea is affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend products or services online, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Let's take Amazon Associates as an example. If you write a blog post or make a YouTube video about a product and 100 people buy it, you earn a percentage from every sale. Even if the commission is only $5 per sale, that's $500 just from people clicking your link. The power of affiliate marketing is that once your content is published, it continues to attract viewers and buyers for years without you doing additional work. Finally, the fifth idea is high-yield savings accounts and peer-to-peer lending. While it's not as high-paying as real estate or digital products, it is one of the simplest and safest options. For instance, if you place $20,000 into a high-yield savings account offering 4% interest, you earn $800 per year completely passively. Peer-to-peer lending platforms take it a step further by allowing you to lend money directly to borrowers, where you can earn higher returns, sometimes up to 8 or even 10% annually. As you can see, passive income is about setting up systems that generate money with little ongoing effort. Dividend investing pays you from companies' profits. Rental properties give you monthly cash flow while building long-term wealth. Digital products can be created once and sold forever. Affiliate marketing turns your content into a money machine, and even high-yield savings or peer-to-peer lending can give you steady returns. Now here's the key. You don't need to do all 5 at once. Start with one that fits your budget, your skills, and your risk level. Even if you build just one small passive income stream that makes $100 a month, that's $1,200 a year. Stack multiple streams over time, and suddenly you're no longer relying on your 9 to 5. You're building true financial freedom. It takes some effort upfront and patience, but once you've built the system, it can continue to generate money for you 24 hours a day, even while you're asleep. Remember, money should work for you, not the other way around. Start today, and soon enough, you'll literally be making money while you sleep. So the question is, which passive income idea are you going to start working on today? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video on building wealth.